Hey everybody, it's Alex over at Hughes Honda, and let's go ahead and discuss the 2021 Honda Clarity plug-in hybrid. This is the Touring in particular, so in addition to everything that we'll discuss on what you're seeing, the Touring gives you perforated leather trimmed seats. The driver's seat has an 8-way power adjustment with 2-position memory, and as far as the passenger goes, you got a 4-way power adjustment. Now, with the Touring, you're going to have Honda satellite link navigation, and also a leather-wrapped steering wheel. Everywhere else there, you're going to have biofabric. The biofabric is standard on these cars, and the biofabric's really nice. It looks like an Alcantara suede. Now up front, as you see, you're going to have your full LED lights, so automatic high beams with that. Your fog lights kind of run down the side there, and they look really futuristic. All of these cars will come with the Honda Sensing Suite too, so if you don't know about that, definitely look into it. You got a lot of good semi-autonomous driving capability there. Let's go ahead and discuss the range, and we'll do that while we pop the hood. You're looking at a 1.5-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder dual overhead camshaft engine. And that's paired with a 17 kilowatt battery and a hybrid drive motor. Now the battery's going to have an 8-year warranty on it. The engine and all of the internal lubricated parts, that's going to have a 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty with Honda, and then everything else is covered under the 3-year 36,000 mile basic warranty, so something to note there. Good looking though, everything's made in Japan. Kind of give you a good view. It's a pearl white paint on this car with the beige interior. On your key fob, you'll have 2 keys, they're numbered. Hold down on the bottom button to open up your plug. You actually have to go into the door. Hold down on this button to open up your fuel door for the rear, so it uses both, of course, fuel and battery. Something to note there. When you come to the rear, lift this up. Some storage down in here. Might be good for some other belongings. There are your cables for plugging it into your house from Honda. They don't charge you anything for that. Front tag bracket comes standard, as well as your mats. You pay nothing for these with Honda. And it's a 60-40 split for the back seats if you want to kick those down. Got a lot of storage in this car. You can kind of see though where the batteries might be. It's not overwhelming, but there is a little bit of a ledge there for the batteries, but I think it'll pay off for you. You're looking at 48 miles just on battery alone, so that's your range there. When you're driving though further than that, 340 miles is what you can expect at least just driving this car. But what a lot of folks don't realize is that if you do less than 50 miles on your commutes, you'll probably not burn any gas at all. So expect to not pay much for gas. Just like every Honda, on the left side here, you're going to have your phone and audio controls, and on the right side, these are your driver assist features, paired with your collision mitigation controls down here. So something to note, Honda Lane Watch. You know, I'm not going to go into all these features in depth. There's plenty of videos on that stuff. I'm just giving you a good overview of the car. Since this is the Touring, that's your satellite link navigation right there. So that's a Garmin system. So if you used a Garmin before, something to note there. But just really what you need to see is just the beauty of this interior. I mean, they have done a wonderful, wonderful job with this car. It looks a cut above compared to the rest of our vehicles, and all of our vehicles are very nice, but this car is certainly unique. Dual climate zones, heated seats are here. That's your tactile feedback for your gear selecting, so something to note. And different driving modes, so if you want to tap into those. A lot of storage, LED lights, home link for your garage, map lights, auto dimming mirror. There's a whole lot more to talk about on this car. I'll stop at the window sticker. This is one of the harder videos for me to make because we just don't see a lot of these cars. The clarity is a rarity. But I hope I did an okay job for you all. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment, text me, call me. I'm here. But that is an excellent choice. Bye-bye.